Databases, Module A, homework number 5. Please open the sales database in Access. And if you wanted to look, there are 5 tables, and if you want to check which is how many records are in each, there are 7 in category. Product has 11. Province is just 6, and it just tells you what the abbreviation stands for. Sales has a few more, 33, and store has only 7. So previously, if we wanted to print something out, so go to sales, and you wanted just certain columns out of sales, maybe I just wanted the store ID and the amount sold. You could pull just those 2 fields from sales. In this particular exercise, we're going to pick fields from each of the different tables. So let's close out of all of the tables that are open right now, and we'll choose create. But because this is a more complex, we're not doing just one table, we're going to go to Query Wizard. And for this one, we're going to choose, and I'm going to do them in order here. So I'm going to double click category, then I'll choose store, then product, sales, and province. And it goes down below until I close out of here, and then where the title of, I'll move it over here. Now I'm just also going to show you that they are all, you can see that there's arrows where they're connecting, so they match. In category and products table, the category ID matches, the province with the province code, store ID with store ID, and product ID and product name. So the first one I want is from category, and I want category name, so double click. The next one I want is store name, so you can double click or you can hold and just drag it down here. The next one I want is product name, and I also want unit price. Then from sales, I want quantity sold, and then the last one I want province. So now I want, you can tell that I have the field names, and from what table? It's from the category table, the store table, the product table again, sales, and province. And this is good, so I'm going to click run, and I will have all 33 of them and just the fields or the columns that I want. Now I do want to take the unit price and multiply it by the quantity sold to see the total sales, but there is no click to add a new field. That's in tables. In queries you have to do it a little different. So I'm going to click the design view, and then I'm going to add my own column. It'll be called total with a colon, space bar, and I'm going to press the bracket without the shift next to the P, and I want to take the unit price, and it's together, one word, close the bracket, asterisk for times, another bracket, and it's going to be times quantity sold, and no space bar, and close the bracket. And then I'll go ahead and click run, and there I have it. $4 times 10 is 40. I just don't like the place of where it's located, so I'm going to use select the title, total, and then just hold and drag it over. So it's right next to the unit prices and the quantity sold. And there we have, we created our own calculated field in a query. Now, for example, if you wanted to see Calgary, you could just click this one and choose selection equals category, Calgary. The next thing, move to remove it. The other way you could do it is go to design view, and let me just go back, I want to go to store name. So in store name, I'm going to type number 12 and then run. It pulls just those. So either way works. I think it's a lot faster to just use the selection in the filter, sort and filter. You could put it in alphabetical order by store name if you want. Calgary is first. And there you have it. And that is, now because it's we did it as a query design, we didn't get a chance to name it, so you name it now when it goes. Yes, and we'll call it total sales. And there it is as a query. And that is a save and submit. Thank you.